I love you.
Here he is.
But let me, here's the bottle. Wait, ah! Here's the bottle. Wait.
It's okay, just get this off.
Ow! Oh, please don't try to break it. Okay, here we go. Abu. Yes, Abu. Blanket. I love you, blanket. Yes. I love you. I love my children very much. Yes, I don't want him to cry.
Lovely. Does he like his feed?
Yes.
Have you been hearing about what people have been saying?
That's totally ignorant. I would never do that to my children or any child. Try to kill them? Come on, stupid. And why would I put a scarf over the baby's face if I was trying to throw him off the balcony? We were waiting to thousands of fans down below, and they were chanting they wanted to see my child. So I was kind enough to let them see. I was doing something out of innocence.
He's hungry, isn't he?
He loves milk. This kind. It is good. Thank you.
All right.